Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a very useful feature that was recently introduced in the Telegram app for PC. It's a simple but effective way to help your device last longer whenever your battery is running low. If you've ever been in the middle of an important chat and suddenly noticed your battery dipping into the red, this quick setting could make all the difference. Let's go step by step together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. This will bring you straight to your chats, where everything looks completely normal. What we'll need to do now is find the main menu. Look at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those. This will open a side panel with several different options to explore. From here, scroll down the list and find Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of the personalization and functionality tools that you can adjust. Once you're inside Settings, look carefully for an option called Battery and Animations. This is the section that controls how Telegram behaves when your power starts draining faster than expected. Click it to continue. Now you'll see a setting labeled Saving Power on Low Battery. By default, this might be turned off, but we want to make sure it's enabled. Simply click on the toggle switch so that it activates. What this does is adjust how Telegram runs in the background, reducing some of the extra visual effects and power consumption when your battery is weak. The last step is very important. Don't forget to press Save. This makes sure your new setting is locked in and ready to go the next time your laptop or PC battery begins to run low. With it turned on, Telegram will automatically adapt and help preserve your battery life when you really need it. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've set up Telegram to be smarter with power management. It's a great addition for anyone who wants to stay connected without worrying about their computer dying too quickly. Give it a try and enjoy longer, more efficient use of Telegram on your PC.